What's up, y'all? You already know who it is. You know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. This is a 2007 Toyota Sequoia, and we're going to show you how to take this radio out. First thing you want to do, put the vents up like that, because you have 1 and 2 Phillips right there. Go ahead and take those out. God dang. Easy on the torque there, buddy. Alright, so now that we got those 2 Phillips out in that corner, I like to put these like there, stick my hand, and it's gonna take a little bit, but you can stick your hand behind there, and boom. Guess what? One of the most simplest radios you will ever take out in your car, audio, or Toyota Sequoia career. Now, we have two 10 mils on each side. Take that out. Alright guys, that's pretty much it, man. So we got that radio out. Next, one thing that we're going to do is actually take these factory brackets off and put it on our aftermarket double din radio, and I'll show y'all what it looks like. Alright guys, so you can see I have the factory brackets onto the aftermarket radio with the double din kit. So with the aftermarket bracket, you're going to have to modify it. Now I didn't do the cleanest job right here, but basically you put the factory bracket on first, then you put your aftermarket bracket on top of that, modify it to where it can fit, because this is literally just to fill in the space. So the factory brackets will mount directly to the double din in order for it to actually mount in the cavity that it came out of, but you're just gonna have some holes, or not holes, but this plastic part right here is what's gonna actually fill in the other pieces. So that's how you do that. I already got the wire harness already taped up, and I know what you're thinking, like, why didn't I actually go over how to wire it? Well, in order to keep these little radio removal videos short and sweet, straight to the point, and very efficient for you guys, I decided just to make one video on how to actually wire up a radio, and it's in that card in the top corner, so you guys can refer to that. I go over each one of these wires, what they do, where they hook up to, how to install them, and all that type of stuff, how to connect them, and that's pretty much it. So if you guys want to know how to wire a radio up, you guys can go to that. This is the wiring harness, so if you guys need any type of links to all the parts that I have, they will be in the description. Other than that, let's go ahead and plug this thing in so we can see what it looks like when it's all said and done. Alright y'all, so that's what it looks like, man. It looks pretty neat with the see how it feels in the space on those two sides with the gaps. But pretty much, man, that's what it looks like. If you guys found any value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. Until next time, this is JP signing out, baby. I'll see you at the next call.